Hello and welcome to Carysil World of Kitchen Appliances. Today we are going to learn how to install the product and operational demonstration of Carysil Combo Oven MWO3 with TFT screen. This will help you to use the product better. This video will explain the following details.
Installation procedure. To install, first, measure the exact dimension. Cutout should match these dimensions. Be sure that the proper ventilation is there in the back side of the cabinet. Fix the screw properly. Plug in the power and switch on. Now your built-in microwave is ready to use. Features. This microwave comes up with unique features. TFT screen control panel. Auto multifunction cooking programs. Inverter microwave technology. Flat plate. SS cavity. High power grill and convection. 32 liters capacity. And 1-year warranty on limited parts. This microwave have the following functions. Operation. In standby mode, find setting on the home page and click it. Set the date and time. Select the date by sliding on the screen. The time setting will display. Select the time and press confirm. In system settings, you can select the brightness by sliding on the screen. In standby mode, find inverter microwave. On the home page, select the power between 100 to 900 W by sliding on the screen and press it. Enter the cooking time, press confirm to start. This function is for microwave cooking. You can cook the potatoes, noodles, popcorn, etc. Standby mode, find grill on the home page and click it. Enter the cooking time by sliding on the screen. Press confirm to start. In this function, the default temperature is 170 degrees. In this cooking function, you can cook the grilled potato, paneer tikka, dal bati, etc. In standby mode, find convection on the home page and click it. Select the power between 110 degree to 180 degree and press it. Enter the cooking time by sliding on the screen. Press it. This cooking function is for convection cooking. You can cook biscuit, pizza, etc. In standby mode, find microwave convection on the home page and click it. Select the power between 110 degree to 200 degree and press it. Enter the cooking time by sliding on the screen. Press confirm to start. This cooking function is for microwave convection. You can cook the cake and pastry items. In standby mode, find microwave grill on the home page. And click it. Select the combination mode on the screen between level 1 and level 2, enter the cooking time. Press confirm to start. In level 1, 30% time for microwave cooking, 70% time for grill cooking. In level 2, 55% time for microwave cooking and 45% time for grilled cooking. In level 1, you can cook out grating, French green vegetables. In level 2, you can cook puddings, omelette, baked potatoes, etc. In standby mode, find reheat on the home page and click it. Enter the cooking time by sliding on the screen. Press confirm to start. In this function, you can reheat the food items. You can reheat coffee, tea, etc. In standby mode, find defrost on the home page and click it. Select the fish or meat. Select the food weight by 100 to 1800 grams. The oven will start cooking automatically. In this cooking function, you can defrost all types of frozen food items. In standby mode, find my favorite on the home page and click it. Select the cooking program which you need and click it. The oven will start cooking automatically. For auto cooking function, it is not necessary to program the time and cooking power. It is sufficient to indicate the type of food that you want to cook as well as the weight of serving. Find Auto menu on the home page and click it. Enter the food weight or serving. Then the microwave oven start cooking automatically. For further details, please read the Auto menu chart and product manual carefully. To set the child lock, click the switch option of Auto Child Lock. Maintenance of the product. This completes the demonstration of built-in combo microwave oven, MWO3. Hope you liked the video.